Just a quick test of this fighter Taiyo remote control car. It's got dual motors. Steering seems to be okay, and acceleration is good. Let's see if we can see this thing go. Whoa. Okay, let's see. Whoa. Whoa, there we go. And we'll just change the gears. There we go. It's got a 2-speed transmission. Low gear's pretty quick. And that's a nice thing. Here's a quick view underneath. It's got the dual motor setup. So you got twin Mabushi 280 motors. And let's see here. And you've got double A's ready to go. Okay. I'll put that back there. And you got the adjustable wing. And that is it, guys. And it's fast.